Alchemix DeFi Platform Review, My Usage Experience. In this video, I'll be giving you an honest review of Alchemix, a decentralized finance DeFi platform that has generated significant attention for its unique offerings. Alchemix allows you to borrow against your future yield, offering an innovative and flexible approach to DeFi lending. Its primary feature is the self-repaying loan mechanism, where the yield from your deposited assets automatically pays off your loan over time. This platform is designed for advanced DeFi users who understand the risks involved in smart contracts, liquidity pools, and yield farming. It is perfect for users looking to maximize returns on stable assets, as well as those interested in leveraging their crypto without the usual risks of liquidation. After using Alchemix for several months, I can confidently say it offers a great balance between innovation and practicality. First off, the platform allows you to deposit stablecoins like DAI and USDC into its vaults. The beauty of this is that when you deposit, you're essentially providing liquidity to a yield-generating pool, and Alchemix issues you a loan based on your deposit. For instance, you can borrow up to 50% of your collateral in ALUSD, which is pegged to the US dollar. The major draw here is that instead of paying interest, the yield generated from your assets pays down the loan automatically. You don't need to worry about regular repayments or keeping an eye on your debt levels, as the system self-manages. However, there are a few downsides to consider. Alchemix currently relies heavily on yield farming strategies that can be risky, especially when the crypto market is volatile. Additionally, while the self-repaying feature is appealing, it may not be suitable for users seeking short-term liquidity or those who want to quickly access their borrowed funds, as it can take time for the loan to fully repay itself. Alchemix also has a governance token, ALCX, that lets holders participate in decision-making on the platform, which adds a layer of decentralization and community engagement. The platform has a clean, user-friendly interface that makes managing your assets easy, and the community around it is active, constantly discussing new strategies and updates. In conclusion, Alchemix offers an innovative and useful service for DeFi users looking to maximize their passive income without worrying about managing a traditional loan. While it's not perfect and there are risks involved, especially with its yield farming approach, it's a solid option for users who are already familiar with DeFi and want to take their crypto to the next level. If you're interested in leveraging your assets in a new way and don't mind a longer-term commitment, Alchemix could be a game changer.